Indian school teacher wins $1 million Global Teacher Prize 2020 for promoting girls' education and introducing QR-coded textbooks. K. Kasturi Rangan speaks of the three-language formula in the new education policy. Engineering to be taught in regional languages at top institutes, says Education Ministry. CISCE writes to all CMs to allow partial reopening of schools from January for classes 10 and 12. Locked Malda school building in ruins. West Bengal schools to remain shut till the pandemic situation improves, says Education Minister. Department of School Education Patiala partners with Conway Genius and Sanji Sakhya to develop WhatsApp-based teaching and learning solution. Will Karnataka school exams only be held in June 2021? Children in Karnataka have been denied milk for 6 months, says RTI. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Ranjit Singh Desai, 32, from Paritwali village in Maharashtra, Solapur district, emerged the winner from 10 finalists globally by the annual prize founded by the Varke Foundation in 2014 to recognize an exceptional teacher. Desai, who believes that teachers are the world's real change makers, announced that he will be sharing 50% of his prize money with his fellow finalists to support their incredible work. K. Kasturi Rangan speaks of the three-language formula in the new education policy. The drafting committee chairman K. Kasturi Rangan on Thursday said that three-language formula in the new education policy is aimed at stimulating learning in the crucial early years, building flexibility into the curriculum, and fostering an appreciation of India's rich cultural heritage. He also rejected charges that the plan facilitated the imposition of Hindi on southern states. Engineering to be taught in regional languages at top institutes, says Education Ministry. The Union Education Minister on Wednesday set up a panel to prepare a roadmap for teaching engineering in regional languages at top institutes like IITs and the National Institute of Technology. Higher Education Secretary Amit Khare will head the panel and will take into consideration the suggestions made by stakeholders and will submit a report within a month. The Chief Executive and Secretary Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination has written to all Chief Ministers to allow schools to partially reopen from January onwards, particularly for students of classes 10 and 12 who will be appearing for board exams. The Council has also written to the Chief Election Commissioner of India to share the poll schedule of the states where elections are due in April and May so as to enable finalizing the date for the board exams. An old primary school building in Malda town has reduced to rubble overnight, a rising concern amidst the residents and officials of the district education department. The Chhatra Bondu Primary School in Kalitala under Ward 10 of the town is run by the District Primary School Council, founded in 1969, has a campus spread over 1500 square feet with 40-odd students and 2 lady teachers. The West Bengal government is not pondering over changes in its stated position of not starting classes in schools till the coronavirus pandemic situation improves, said the Education Minister Partha Chatterjee on Thursday. The announcement came after the Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations wrote to the Chief Ministers to allow schools to reopen partially from January, especially for students who will appear for ICSE and ISC examinations. Conway Genius and EdTech platform and Ranji Sakhya have partnered with the Department of School Education to launch a WhatsApp-based teaching and learning solution under its My Phone, My School program. Conway Genius launched the EdTech model in Patiala district on a pilot basis in the virtual presence of Dr. Amarjeet Singh, the district education officer, along with Padho Punjab, Padhao Punjab teacher members, Mr. Rajband Singh, teachers and block officials. Will Karnataka school exams only be held in June 2021? With COVID-19 cases still being on the rise, there is no clarity as to when the schools and colleges will reopen. As a result, the Class 10 and PUC-2 exams in Karnataka are likely to be postponed to June and July instead of holding them in March and April. According to sources in the Education Department, the State Technical Advisory Committee has recommended the postponement of the exams. Children in Karnataka have been denied milk for at least half a year in response to an RTI query. The Midday Meal Scheme Department has stated that there has been no order by the government to disburse milk powder under the Shira Bhagya scheme. According to the response, the government had worked towards distributing milk per student in all districts, including those hit by drought in the state. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.